Hey guys, welcome back to the Design, Creativity and Technology channel. Really excited here today. We've got Mr. Syil, who's flown all the way over from China to come over here to Melbourne and to meet some of his customers. Over here to my left is Tung, and Tung is a proud owner of a SyilCNC combo. Tung, tell us a little bit about your Syil machine and why you chose to go down with the SyilCNC.
It's just I've been looking for a CNC machines for some time, and Syil machines seem to be meet my expectation, and that's why I chose SyilCNC combo.
Awesome. Now yours is I believe Tung's is a 3-phase machine. Yep.
Correct. It's a 380 volt 3-phase machine, and it's powered by a rotary phase converter.
Is that a rotary phase change converters Australia from Mark?
Correct.
Bridgman, yeah. Okay.
Correct. So basically, it's a custom made from a single phase 240 volt, and it's converted to a 380 volt 3-phase.
All right. So I'll put some photos down here, guys. Of so Mark Bridgman in Melbourne here. We make our own Australian-made, believe it or not, rotary phase converters. And these marry well together with SyilCNC machines, guys, because a lot of your households, we don't have custom 3-phase power. Super excited, guys. I've got the owner of the company standing right beside me here today, and it just goes to show what sort of man Mr. Syil is, because he's flying to Melbourne to meet his customers. And he's not only meeting them in Melbourne, he's also going to Canberra as well, and also to Sydney to meet some other customers up there. Would you like to tell us a little bit about Syil, please, Mr. Syil?
Yeah, I'm very excited. It's the first time to come into Australia, and we have many customers in there. And someone is located in this area, someone is in the Sydney area. So I will fly here to see everyone and to listen and advise to share some experience. Yeah. Then we want to much better for our machine qualities to improve and provide more.
Excellent. Yeah. Excellent. Yeah. So what Mr. Syil is saying, guys, is that as the owner of the company, he really wants to listen to his customers and improve his machines to make the customer happy. And I think that's really good. If you can get the company owner to come out and actually speak to owners, and I think it will drive the product even further and further along. Tung, what are some of the parts you're going to be making with your machine?
So basically, most of the time I'm working on cars, so most of the part will be is a non-genuine or something you can't get on the market. So aftermarket stuff. So I'll make them up and make sure it just suit what I need.
Yeah. So you're making like rally parts, rally car.
Mainly for high performance car, drag. That sort of stuff. So so it's been going alright too. So
Now the good thing is, guys, I've been at Tung's house now for probably about half an hour, and I had a little bit of a look around. Tung is just like myself. He started off with his own manual machine that he converted to CNC, and quite quickly, mate, we outgrow them, don't we?
Correct.
And that's when you want to make parts, you outgrow your machine. Then you've got to turn to a better company like Syil, who can provide that machine for rigidity, tool changer, BT30, rigid tapping capabilities, that sort of stuff. Alrighty, well look, thank you very much, guys. Thanks for joining us, and I want to thank Tung today for inviting me to his home with Mr. Syil. So thank you, Tung.
Thank you for coming. It's appreciated to meet you guys, and Syil has been pretty good to me, so it's glad I'm been with Syil at the moment.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, guys. Stay tuned. We'll have more Syil videos coming right at you in the next couple of weeks. Thank you very much.